Let's face it, investing can be a roller coaster. You put your hard-earned cash into something you believe in, hoping it'll grow and secure your future. But what if the platform holding your investments suddenly vanishes? This might sound like something out of a financial horror movie, but it's a real concern, especially with the rise of online investment platforms. Today, we're diving into the scary scenario of a platform closure, specifically, what happens if StashAway shuts down. Taking control of your financial fear. Before we delve into the details, let's take a deep breath. Financial institutions go through various regulations and safeguards to protect your investments. However, knowledge is power, so understanding what might happen in a worst-case scenario can ease your worries and empower you to make informed decisions. StashAway, the platform in focus. StashAway has become a popular choice for investors due to its robo-advisor approach. It builds personalized portfolios based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. But what happens to those personalized portfolios if StashAway goes belly up? Here's the good news: StashAway, like most reputable investment platforms, doesn't actually hold your money directly. They act as a custodian, meaning your investments are held by a separate, regulated institution, a trustee or a broker-dealer. The trustee takes the wheel. In the unfortunate event of StashAway closing its doors, the trustee holding your investments would take over. This could be a bank or a brokerage firm that's legally obligated to protect your assets. Here's what might happen next. Account freeze. Your StashAway account would likely be frozen to prevent any further activity. Communication is key. The trustee would typically reach out to investors, informing them of the situation and outlining the next steps. Transferring your investments. They would work towards transferring your investment holdings to a new platform you choose, or they might offer a default option. Potential delays. This process might take some time. There could be delays depending on the complexity of your portfolio and the specific procedures of the trustee. What about your money? Here's the key takeaway: your actual investments, like stocks and bonds, should be safe. They're held by the trustee, separate from StashAway's assets. So, even if the platform goes bust, your underlying investments shouldn't disappear. Potential hiccups to consider. While your investments should be secure, there could be a few bumps in the road. Cash balances. Any cash sitting in your StashAway account might take longer to access compared to your actual investments. Fees. There could be fees associated with transferring your investments to a new platform. Performance impact. The disruption caused by the closure could potentially impact your investment performance in the short term. Taking precautions. Be prepared, not paranoid. Here are some proactive steps you can take to minimize any disruptions if something like this were to happen. Regularly review account statements. Make sure you understand where your investments are held and by whom. Keep copies of important documents. Store copies of your account statements and any relevant agreements in a safe place. Diversify your investment accounts. Consider spreading your investments across different platforms to minimize risk. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding the potential consequences and taking precautions, you can approach your investments with a bit more peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.